बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। पंजाब पुलिस स्टेनोग्राफर टेस्ट रिकॉर्ड बाय सदाम चौधरी बाबा फरीद शॉर्ट एंड टाइपिंग भावनगर। While on deputation abroad, a civil servant was considered for promotion in accordance with his seniority position, but actual promotion took place after he resumed duty on return to Pakistan. Full stop. This enabled such civil servants to regain their seniority their juniors on actual promotion. Full stop. Experience has shown that despite promotion, these officers seldom return even on completion of their approved deputation period. Full stop. By the time they return, many officers have lost their utility and experience relevant to service needs. Full stop. Promoting such officers immediately on return may not, therefore, be in public interest. Full stop. No para. However, despite the aforementioned clear instructions and regular meetings of the provincial selection board held each month, the administrative departments submit promotion cases of officers through circulation at the verge of their retirement and at times just a day before the retirement of the officer concerned, in violation of the standing instructions and laid down procedure. Full stop. There is a conspicuous failure on the part of department to process such cases well before the retirement of officers, for which the administrative department concerned is fully liable. Full stop. In view of the above, I am directed to convey that in future cases for promotion of officers through circulation would not be entertained. Full stop. New para. All the administrative departments are requested that previous instructions on the subject may be complied with in letter and spirit, and cases for promotion of officers may be processed well in time and submitted for consideration of provincial selection board in its regular meetings being convened every month. Full stop. Upgradation of a post and promotion of an officer from lower to higher scale are two distinct issues which should not be linked together. Full stop. Upgradation of a post on account of expansion in area of jurisdiction and responsibilities is within the purview of finance department, whereas, promotion of an officer to a higher scale is entirely a different issue which falls under the exclusive jurisdiction. Full stop. Special meetings of the provincial selection boards shall be held after every 3 months for retiring officers, on the first Monday of the month in which the meeting is scheduled. Full stop.